example about the doubt. So they told like you can ask the doubt in the next class with the economic
Yeah, this
teacher.
one, na?
Thank you. Yeah, the 10th one. Ma'am, in
Yes.
this one, like, what do you say? This was I was confused in this one.
Tenth
From the
one.
following, yeah, 10th one.
Ah.
From the following statement given in column 1 and column 2, choose the correct pair of statements, right? So this one, the first option was like A3, economic forecasting limitation of statistics. This is wrong. B4, economic activities undertaken to earn a living. This is correct. Then C2, homogeneous data, importance of statistics. This is also wrong. And D1, human wants unlimited. So two are correct and two are wrong. And rest all, like most of them were wrong and one options were
Yes.
correct.
Then this question I heard it, and according to economic activities is this. That means B is 4. Yes?
Okay.
Is
Okay.
what? And you chose that only. So I just gave you marks. Clear?
I got 10 out of 10.
Yes. All the answers are correct.
Okay.
You were not
So I
expecting
got
that?
no, actually, I thought my 1 marks would be deducted in this question, the 10th one.
Last one, yeah. That I just according to this only I gave you. That
Okay,
B1 was
okay.
both economy activities undertaken by this. And yes, this one was not framed. This is a CBSE question itself. And when they basically posted this question, they also gave the student according to this.
Okay,
When
okay.
activities is forced, that means option A. Okay, so
So I
whenever
got
this
10
type
out
of
of 8.
question comes, the match the following where you are sure about. Just look at that. Okay. That for
Okay.
example, B1 is 4. Any other, there was nothing like that. Only this one was 4. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
That means this A option is correct. Okay?
Yes. So I got 10 out of 10.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. I just checked it. Actually, they didn't share your answer sheet to me and they were asking, I didn't share the feedback. I was like, I didn't get the answer sheet. How, from where I'll share the feedback? And then they shared it again and they just told me to clarify it.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm. So this is what? So this indirect oral investigation, I hope you got it, right? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
indirect oral investigation is basically you are collecting the data, but not directly from the person, but from secondary person whom you think that this person might have the information. Maybe his mother, maybe his father, maybe his friend, anyone. Okay.
Okay. Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
suitability. The field of investigation is relatively large, right? At that time, for example, over here, this is a village. Over here, 100 people live. Okay. So what you said, you just thought that the person, Gram Panchayat or something, you will collect the data from him. Okay, so when this is large, you will go for indirect. Then it is not possible to have direct contact. For example, that person lives in America. So it's not possible to have direct contact with that. So you took the information from his family member. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the concerned informant are not capable of giving in. For example, somebody is in bed rest or hospitalized. Of course, they are not capable of giving you the information. So in this case also, you will ask it from your friend, like from their friend or family member. Or for example, they are illiterate. They don't understand your language. They only know their local language. So that's a problem. Investigation is so complex in nature that only expert can give information. So in, like for example, you need the literacy rate of this. So you cannot go to each and every person and ask whether you are literate or not, right? So in this case, you need a organization who can give you the census of India or something and give you the information related to literacy rate in that particular state. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this method is basically used by the government and non-government committees or commission. Okay. Now coming to merits of this, first of all, you can cover the wide coverage, less expensive. You get the expert opinion because usually we ask expert about this. Free from bias, there is no biasness. For example, I give you the data in this particular domain, 90% people are educated. So what's my biasness over there? Right? And it's very simple. Go to a particular person, collect the data, get back. Now demerits, less accurate. There is no accuracy, right? Because of
Yes,
course,
ma'am.
if you are getting the data from second person, how can you be? This can be biased. There is possibility personal biases. For example, I want that your whatever research you are doing that should be not correct, and I gave you the wrong data, right?
Yes, ma'am.
A doubtful conclusion can come because you are not doing the things on your own. So of course you can doubt the conclusion as well. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will quickly write down this. Till here only you will write, and then suitability, then the merits, only the highlighted part.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, this one like indirect oral investigation from where to where?
You have to write it till here.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am. No, no, no. I did not write suitability. Okay. Now you can scroll down. Ma'am, should I write this also? This method is mostly used by government or non-government committees or commissions. Hello? 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 Hello?
Okay, I hope you are getting Ashraf, right?
Oh, ma'am, I was calling out you for such a long time. Where
Sorry,
were
I
you?
can't hear you.
I was calling out for you for a long time. Where were you?
Your voice is too low, Ashraf. I don't know.
No, I was speaking loudly.
You're not audible at all. Just rejoin.
Okay, ma'am. Am I audible now?
You are audible, but your voice is little bit low, like it's slow.
Okay, wait, I'll rejoin.
Uh, just speak. Yeah. Yeah, now you are
It's,
audible. You were saying something? Your voice
yeah,
is
ma'am. I was.
like too low.
Is it
Okay.
still low now?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay, ma'am. I was. Can you scroll a bit? Like I was saying that. Should I write this also? This
Uh,
method is most.
yes, this is for one marker.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so in case sometimes what happen, every method is suitable for some person or some other, right? So sometimes in one marker they frame the question like this: dash is used by the government or non-government committees, right?
Right. Yes,
So which method? Indirect oral investigation is one of the method which is mostly used by the government or non-government committees. Okay.
okay, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, this merits and demerits only the blue part, right?
Yes, only the highlight.
Okay, ma'am.
Only the ones which are highlighted. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
The demerits.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, of course, there are some differences. Okay, you will not write it, just highlight it. Difference between the direct personal investigation and indirect. So, in case of direct personal, the investigation establishes direct contact with the informant. On the other hand, in case of indirect, information is obtained by connecting other person other than the informant. So I think you can write the difference, right, on your own.
Yes, ma'am. I already have written it in my notebook, I guess. The
Uh,
school one.
yes. So it's the same. Direct investigation possible when the field of investigation is small, and on the other end, it's possible only when the field is large. In direct
Yes.
investigation, the investigator must be well versed in the language and cultural habitat of the informant, right? You should know what is the cultural language and everything. But over here, there is no such required because you are collecting the data from somebody else. Direct
Yes.
investigation is relatively costlier than the indirect investigation. Okay. Now coming to the third one, information from local sources or correspond. Under this method, the investigator appoint local person or correspond at different places. They collect the information in their own way and furnish the same to the investigator. So I am, what I am doing? I am hiring a person in this case. Hire. Okay, he will go, he'll collect the data and he'll give it to you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Suitability, regular and continuous information and reading. Second, the area of investigation is large. The information is used by journal, magazine, radio, TV, etc. A high
Ma'am.
degree of accuracy of information is not required. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, merits, economical, wide coverage, continuity, like you can get the data day by day as well, and suitable for the special purpose. For example, I wanted to collect the data, how many girls are there for the function. So, special purpose I can do. First of all, loss of demerit, loss of originality, because you never know that person will be giving you the original data or not. Lack of informity, right? So over here, this is because the data is collected by the number of correspond, right? So for example, for these are the four areas I need to collect the data for. For this, I hired this person. For this, I hired this. So of course, it is the data, the answer which you will get will be not uniform, right? Because everybody's presentation way is different. So lack of uniformity. Personal biases can be there. I don't want to give you the correct data, so I can manipulate the data. Less accurate because, of course, you are not correct collecting the data on your own, so you cannot believe it. And delay in collection. For example, you hired this person and this person is giving you excuse. I am sick today. I am on leave today. I have to travel today. There's a marriage at my place. There can be so many things. And he can delay the data. So delay in collection as well can take place in this method. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will first write this information from the local source or correspond. Correspond are basically who are correspond, the person who are appointed. They are the local person who are appointed by the investigator to collect the data. Okay. They are the
Yes, ma'am.
respondent.
Ma'am, just one line up actually alone.
Sorry,
Just in their own
you
way.
have not finished this?
Yeah, I'm on the last line actually. I
Okay.
was
Okay.